Juggling a 9 to 5 but dreaming of building your own real estate empire? Believe it or not, the world of property investment isn't just for the full-timers with endless hours at their disposal. Welcome to the Part-Time Magnates, where we unlock the secrets to succeeding in real estate investing, even with a limited schedule. Ready to transform your spare time into a thriving investment portfolio? From strategic planning to automation tools, we've got you covered. Let's turn your part-time efforts into full-time returns. Let's dive in. 1. Laying the foundation. Time management and goal setting. First up, mastering time management and goal setting. Imagine real estate investing as a puzzle. You're fitting pieces together in your spare hours. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Break down your real estate dreams into actionable steps. Remember, even 15 minutes a day can move mountains with the right plan. 2. Market mastery. Smart investing with limited time. Next, becoming a market master on a tight schedule. You don't have time to scour every listing, so focus on niches with potential for growth, like up-and-coming neighborhoods or properties suitable for rental. Use technology to your advantage. Real estate apps and platforms can filter opportunities based on your goals, saving you hours of research. 3. The power of leverage. Using OPM, other people's money. Introducing the game changer, the power of leverage. Investing isn't just about using your own cash. It's about smartly utilizing OPM, other people's money. Learn about mortgages, real estate partnerships, and crowdfunding. These tools can amplify your investment capacity, allowing you to make moves that were once thought impossible on a part-time schedule. 4. Automation and delegation, your silent partners. Meet your new best friends, automation and delegation. From property management software to virtual assistants, technology and teamwork can handle the day-to-day, freeing you to focus on big-picture strategies. Automate rent collection, delegate maintenance issues, and use digital marketing to find tenants. Your real estate venture runs smoothly, even while you sleep. 5. Continuous learning and networking. Last but not least, the cornerstone of success. Continuous learning and networking. The real estate world evolves rapidly, and staying informed is key. Dedicate time each week to educate yourself through books, podcasts, and online courses. Network with fellow investors and professionals. These connections can lead to partnerships, deals, and invaluable advice. Part-time investing in real estate isn't just a possibility, it's a pathway to financial freedom and success. Armed with the right strategies, tools, and mindset, you can build a lucrative portfolio around your busy life. Remember, in the realm of real estate, it's not about having time, it's about making time. You've got this. Ready to turn your real estate dreams into reality but strapped for time? Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with fellow aspiring investors. Dive into the comments with your questions or share your own part-time investing tips. Until next time, keep building your empire brick by brick.